welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of propane smokers. Join us as we review and compare the top propane smokers on the market, highlighting their features, performance, and overall value. Whether you're a seasoned grilling pro or a beginner, this video is your ultimate guide to finding the perfect propane smoker for your outdoor cooking adventures. Let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Vertical Propane Smoker. Introducing the Cuisinart Vertical Propane Smoker, the ultimate companion for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned cook, this smoker is designed to take your grilling experience to the next level. Let's delve into why this is a must-have addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. One of the standout features of this smoker is its spacious 5.45 square feet of interior space. With such ample room, you can smoke a variety of meats alongside several trays of vegetables, catering to all your culinary desires. Its vertical design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also makes it the perfect size for patios and barbecue kitchens, without compromising on cooking capacity. Equipped with 4 14x 14 inches removable stainless steel shelves, this smoker provides the versatility to smoke whole birds or large cuts of meat with ease. The racks are dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup after your grilling adventures. Additionally, the built-in thermometer on the front door offers easy-to-read temperature monitoring, ensuring your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Total temperature and smoke control are at your fingertips with the adjustable gas supply. The 2 doors and rear vent allow precise regulation of heat and smoke levels, empowering you to customize the flavors and textures of your culinary creations. The seal-tight twist-lock door and handle ensure a tight seal, trapping the smoky goodness inside. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the porcelain enameled steel tray that holds wood chips and water. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to more time enjoying your mouth-watering meals. The smoker also includes a 40 inches propane hose and regulator, providing the convenience of quick attachment to a standard propane tank. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the durability and quality of materials, as evidenced by the impressive ratings. Assembly is a breeze, making it accessible for everyone, whether you're a grilling pro or just starting out on your culinary journey. In conclusion, the Cuisinart Vertical Propane Smoker is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Its spacious interior, removable stainless steel shelves, temperature and smoke control, and easy cleanup make it an irresistible choice. Upgrade your grilling experience and unlock a world of flavor possibilities with this exceptional smoker. Don't wait any longer. Add the Cuisinart Vertical Propane Smoker to your cart today and embark on a mouth-watering culinary adventure. Number 2. Char-Broil the Big Easy Smoker. Experience the ultimate versatility and convenience with Char-Broil the Big Easy Smoker Roaster and Grill. This remarkable appliance is designed to take your outdoor cooking adventures to new heights. With its impressive features and unbeatable flavor, you won't be able to resist adding this smoker to your collection. One of the standout features of the Big Easy is its ability to smoke, roast, and grill all in one compact unit. Whether you're in the mood for slow smoked ribs, a succulent roasted turkey, or a sizzling grilled masterpiece, this smoker has got you covered. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution for your outdoor cooking needs. Featuring TRU infrared technology, this smoker ensures that your food is cooked evenly and stays juicy without any flare-ups. Say goodbye to dry and overcooked dishes. With the Big Easy, you can achieve perfectly cooked meals every time, bursting with flavor and tenderness. The roasting basket included with this smoker can hold up to 25 pounds of food, making it ideal for cooking larger cuts of meat such as roasts, or even whole turkeys. The spacious 180 square inches of cooking area provide ample space for grilling your favorite foods to perfection. You'll have no trouble impressing your family and friends with mouth-watering feasts. To enhance the flavor of your dishes, the Big Easy comes with a smoker box where you can add your favorite wood chips. This allows you to infuse your food with a rich, smoky aroma that will tantalize your taste buds. With temperature control ranging from 9,000 to 18,000 BTUs, you have full control over the intensity of heat, ensuring optimal cooking results. Not only does this smoker deliver exceptional performance, but it's also designed with portability and ease of use in mind. With its steel legs, it can be easily placed on any surface, keeping the smoker off the ground and providing stability. Weighing just 50 pounds, it's lightweight enough for 2 people to move effortlessly. Whether you're heading to a camping trip or simply need to store it away, the Big Easy is your reliable and convenient cooking companion. But don't just take our word for it. Experts like Stan Riley, owner of Barrel and Boar Gastropubs in Columbus, Ohio, attest to the fantastic flavor achieved with portable smokers. He recommends using the biggest pieces of wood possible and avoiding soaked wood chips for the best results. Rest assured, with the Big Easy, you'll experience exceptional flavor in every bite. In conclusion, Char-Broil the Big Easy Smoker Roaster and Grill is the ultimate outdoor cooking companion. Its versatility, TRU infrared technology, ample cooking capacity, and convenient portability make it a standout choice. Elevate your outdoor cooking game and indulge in mouthwatering flavors that will leave a lasting impression. Don't wait any longer, bring home the Big Easy and unlock a world of culinary possibilities today. Number 3. Dyna-Glo Vertical LP Gas Smoker. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Dyna-Glo Vertical LP Gas Smoker. This powerful and versatile smoker is designed to deliver exceptional smoked flavors and perfectly cooked meals, making it a must-have for any grilling enthusiast. One of the standout features of this smoker is its convenient double-door design. With separate upper and lower chambers, you have easy access to the wood chips and water setup without disturbing the internal temperature of the other chamber. This means you can make adjustments effortlessly, ensuring optimal cooking results every time. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked dishes and hello to consistently delicious meals. Equipped with a heavy-duty 15,000 BTU cast iron burner, this smoker ensures even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly smoked and flavorful foods. You can trust that every inch of your food will be infused with that delicious smoky aroma. The sliding air dampers on the top and sides provide you with precise control over the temperature and smoke levels, allowing you to tailor the cooking experience to your preferences. With a generous total of 784 square inches of cooking space across 4 adjustable chrome-plated racks, you'll have plenty of room to smoke a large quantity of food. Whether you're hosting a backyard BBQ or preparing a feast for a special occasion, this smoker can handle it all. It can support up to 100 pounds of food, making it ideal for gatherings of any size. The smoker features a porcelain enameled steel wood chip box with convenient side handles, making it easy to remove, refill, and clean. You can effortlessly add your preferred wood chips for that authentic smoky flavor. The large temperature control dial ensures straightforward operation, while the stylish gauge adds a touch of elegance to the smoker's design while providing accurate temperature readings. Durability is a top priority with the Dyna-Glo Vertical LP Gas Smoker. The black powder-coated stainless steel exterior is built to withstand heavy usage and is resistant to scratches, fading, and rust. You can count on this smoker to stand the test of time, allowing you to enjoy many years of delicious smoked creations. For added convenience and protection, consider investing in the custom-fit Dyna-Glo premium cover designed specifically for this model. It will keep your smoker in pristine condition, ensuring its longevity and preserving its impressive performance. In conclusion, the Dyna-Glo Vertical LP Gas Smoker is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. With its double-door design, ample cooking space, precise temperature control, and durable construction, it's a smoker that delivers exceptional results every time. Take your grilling skills to the next level and indulge in the irresistible flavors of perfectly smoked dishes. Don't miss out on this fantastic addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. Thank you for watching our propane smokers review video. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect smoker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more grilling and cooking content. Happy smoking!